Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I've got my October base box, Boxycharm unboxing and try on today, so we're just going to get right into that. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a makeup, hair care, skincare subscription box that you can get for $26.99 or $25.99 every month. I will leave my referral link and code down below if you're interested. So let's just go ahead and get started. I did all of my base off camera already, so I'm going to go ahead and start in with this was my choice for the month. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. This highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. This niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Used as a highlighting serum before moisturizer or as the last step in your routine. So what I did was I did all my skincare, I primed, I did everything off camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into this. Before my foundation, that's kind of what it looks like. So I'm just going to put that on, let that sink in to the face. Lighting in here is not great. This is my first makeup tutorial in this house, so it's just going to take some time. The sound might not be great either, so you're just still trying to get set up. It feels really nice on the skin. It's kind of like a thick, serum-y kind of texture. It's not uncomfortable, it's not sticky, it's not tacky. It just kind of feels like, it's like serum. It's like a serum, but it's like a thicker serum, if that makes any sense. You see, I'm not quite sure I noticed too much glow just yet, but we'll see how it does over foundation or under foundation. And I'm going to go ahead and let that sink in while I go into the eyes. I've actually got most of my box this month is eye-based. By the way, this retails for $34. Let's go ahead and go into the brush set. This is the Tresluce Beauty Lichen Artista brush set. I think there's 4 brushes in this set here. And it says, back on the pigment or blend as much as you need. Professional quality vegan mixed texture fibers make it easy to protect your ideal eye look. The set includes a B100 Deluxe blending brush, B101 Classic blending brush, B102 angled brush, and a B121 rounded pencil brush, and it retails for $27. So here's those. I'm going to use it with both these from, from Pinky Rose, and these, a cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. It can be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo can be used together or separately, and this retails for $20. Let's see, I'm not sure if this had, oh yeah, okay, so this one is in the shade Hip Hop. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these real quick. And this one is in the shade Jazz. And there are the swatches right there. There's Hip Hop and there's Jazz. And then from there I also got the Tresluce I Am Alma eyeshadow palette. And that came with a lash set. I'm not going to use the lash set today. I am going to church and I'm not comfortable wearing lashes. This is one of those things I'm just going to have to play with probably when I'm home until I can get the hang of it. But anyway, the complete eye set that includes everything you need for an eye-catching look. It features a combination of 6 matte and shimmer shades from the I Am Shadow palette and the perfect on-the-go travel size. This set also includes a pair of vegan reusable lashes, complimentary to every size, and it retails for $25. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the eyeshadow stick. I'm going to use Hip Hop. I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on the eye there, make sure I'm getting in frame. I'm going to kind of use that as like a base for the eyeshadows. And then I'm going to take the angled brush here from the set, the B102, and just try to blend that out a little bit. It's blending nicely. Let's see, I'll get a little bit closer to the camera so you can actually see what I'm doing. That seems to be wanting to blend out nicely. Let's go ahead and just do the other eye. And just quickly go in with that. I'm going to go ahead and put an eyeshadow on top of it. Again, just trying to stay as close to the camera as possible, but I'm liking that blend so far. It does feel a little bit sticky. Definitely feels like you can use it as a tacky base. I personally don't like using eyeshadow sticks as an eyeshadow base, but rather just like to do like a full cut crease or a base for another shadow on top. But that's blending out super nicely. Super, super pretty. Alright, so next I think I'm going to go ahead and go into the palette here and take the shade Divina on my finger. Actually, I'll just use this mirror here and have that over that lid. And that's pretty. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. Definitely like an ideal white for me. I love a good bold white shimmer like that you can use on the brow bone, as well as the lid space. And the shadows are smooth, very creamy. Definitely a creamy formula. Alright, let's go back into the brush set here. I'm going to just start with the B100. Go into the shade Bella here. I'm going to put that in the crease and just kind of blend out that shade here. Again, hopefully, I probably should zoom in. I just figured I've got the whole face to do, so we might as well just do it. That's a pretty shade too. Yeah, bristles aren't, one of the biggest things I look for in a brush set is prickly bristles, and I'm not getting that. It's kind of nice. Yeah, I'm liking that. Probably, is it the best formula brushes I've ever used? Probably not. I personally like the It Cosmetics formula, but it's definitely not bad. Now to the brush I'm looking forward to using most in the palette. I absolutely love these brushes that are just kind of tapered like that, but they're not so tapered that you can't get into it. I'm going to take the shade Unica here and pop that just into the deeper crease and just kind of warm that up. I love these kind of brushes for like lower lash line and crease defining. Yeah, that's a pretty shade too. Now I'm going to go back and blend all of that together. Ooh, I like the two colors blended. That's super, super pretty. Yeah. Alright, now so we can use all the brushes. I'm going to take the B101, take the shade Alma, and just kind of pop that here on the outer corner. That. And just kind of work that blend in. I'll probably go back and forth a few times, just blend the shades together. Honestly, now that I did that, I probably could have just done the previous two shades. I'm going to go back and put more of that peachy shade on just because I really want to bring out that color. Super, super pretty though. That's gorgeous. Alright, and then just going back and blending and blending and blending and just keep blending until you get the look right. I'm going to go back in with the Vina, bring back out that. I kind of want this to be like really kind of popped on the inner lid and let everything else just kind of be smoked out on the outer corner. And again, just keep on blending. Not really taking anything extra on the brush, just blending. Alright, now I'm going to go into the shade Jazz. I'm going to just pop that on my lower lash line here and just Just want to see what this color does. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, it's a pretty color. That can honestly be used on its own, but I'm just going to go ahead and set it down with the base. I think I'm going to go ahead and take that same peachy shade Unica and just put that over that. Ooh, that's super pretty. I was going to use the deeper brown, but I really am wanting to bring out that peach. Ooh, yeah, that's cute. That makes a really cute lower lash line, by the way. And I'm just going to take that white shade and just bring that down. Alright, I'm going to go do the rest of my face off camera. I've got one more product to show, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I've got my little one with me. So I put on my base. So far, I think I'm liking my skin. I put products that kind of help bring out the glow on top of the glow recipe. I think it's just going to be one of those products that takes time to figure out whether or not I actually like it. But so far, I'm not mad at it. Again, I've only had it on for like probably 30 minutes at this point, so I wouldn't really know. Base products are just harder to tell right off the bat. But let's get into the last item in the box, and it's the Gillette Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes. It's simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Swipe cloth across skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara, without tugging or pulling. No need to risk. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily, acne-prone skin. And it retails for $20. And there are 60 towelettes in these. So I have one out. It smells really, really good. I figured I'd try these out by way of just taking off the swatch on my hand here. And I mean, it worked beautifully. It feels really, really nice on the skin too. I really, really like it. These definitely smell and feel like high quality towelettes. But that's everything in the box. It retails for a total of $126. So far, I am liking everything. My only beef with this box is this is a mini product and promises 5 full-size products. However, because it did also come with lashes and lash glue, I guess that would be considered a full-size box. I'm not mad at anything in this box. I mean, I'm not entirely thrilled with getting makeup removing wipes in the box. I usually use Vaseline to remove my makeup. But I mean, every once in a while it is nice to have makeup removing wipes. So with that, I'm looking forward to trying this out more. But that's everything, and I'm looking forward to just playing around with these. If you would like more looks using the eyeshadow palette or the eyeshadow sticks, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. God bless, and bye guys.